I am 73 years old.
Okay.
And now, one word before surgery was pain. P-A-I-N, pain. I am in great pain.
So mga arthritis warriors before surgery, so nanay clue no, naunsa si Ma'am Evelyn because she was in pain, severe pain before surgery. Ma'am, I think kinahanglan nila mahibaw-an asa, dapita ang imong pain na gibati because para maka-relate sila asa
Okay.
imong pain.
Okay. My pain was at the back.
The back,
And then, my posture was like this.
Mhm.
And in fact, one of my classmates, nursing classmate, told me that, "Oy, kabahog, pagtisar, oy." Ana siya, when I was in the States, attending an homecoming, our class 73 homecoming nursing. And then, ingko niya, bisag sakit. Ano siya na, ngilad kay katanahon. So, that was one thing